Alright, Adventures at Bryan's House, Episode 2, Plumbing 2, Episode 8, I believe. Hope I'm not getting that wrong. Okay, just got back from apparently some wild animal in a chicken house over there. I don't know if it's a dog or who knows, a chupacabra. Okay. Bryan, can I have a status update?
We're in business here. I got the pipe. I've got the tube malleable enough to put around this pipe. Right now, I am cementing the outside of the pipe. And then now, I'm going to heat up the tubing once more. And then I am going to put a hose clamp around it. And that should make this whole thing work for at least a week until we can replumb this whole house.
And if I can come up that week, that'll be Adventures at Bryan's House, Episode 3, Plumbing 3, Part 1. Seems like every Adventures at Bryan's House is a plumbing so far. We need to get some other type of thing. It's getting windy out here. Alright. You know what I forgot again?
What?
To call Cole. Because I can't call him when I'm recording.
He can leave. He can live.
He cannot live, okay? I need to call my baby, man. LOL, JK. Let's look at the ceiling here that Ryan has to deal with.
Shit.
What's up?
I think the pipe slid, or the cut that Neil made is going even further.
You mean like when you heat it up, it's expanding? Mm-hmm.
No, the actual slit is actually growing. They make it becoming bigger.
How is it going further
because when
now?
I'm pushing it on.
Oh shit!
I'm gonna heat this up to this thing's a motherfucker right now and just get it all fucking malleable, so I can just stick this on without hurting it too much.
Well, that would probably be the case.
We're not moving.
So now we are pushed behind again. Hopefully all these episodes are 5 minutes. I've been stopping them at like around 5. So little short 5-minute episodes.
Fucking wind's gonna drive me crazy.
Is it affecting you too?
Yeah, it's messing with the fire.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come out, little kitty. I ain't gonna hurt you.
Okay, we're good. Gotta be quick.
Slip it on there.
This stuff stinks like a motherfucker.
You might do it.
Not might, I will.
Really? You're that confident?
Oh, fuck! Woo! That was interesting.
What?
Yeah, woo! That lit myself on fire.
How did it? Oh, the plumbing?
The fucking cement was on my hand and I lit my hand on fire.
Oh.
Ooh, that hurts.
I saw your hand, like, your thumb. It's on fire. I was like, oh. Oh, Bryan. Well, now that we know,
yes,
plumbing,
dude.
cement is good. Really? It's good?
No, fuck.
Oh, shit. Why? Oh, shit, your mom's getting pissed. Come out here!